What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the lifestyle. Today I'm going to be basically redoing my #1 video, how to braid dreads. So in the other video, a lot of people said the directions were unclear, plus I made that video really long, like kind of on accident, because like I started and then I stopped and did another one, and you know, that was back then when I was just starting out, so I didn't really know, like, you know, didn't think it was going to get as many views as it did. Now I'm here. Of course my hair is shorter, so it might be a little bit more difficult to do. I'm going to redo that style. I'm going to try to explain it better so everyone gets it. And yeah, now my hair is like kind of like half of that length. It's up to here now. So I don't know if we're going to get the same results, but I could still explain the process so you guys could get it, and hopefully you do get it. Products I have: some oil. I made this oil myself. I also have this. Also some water. Also have some scrunchies just to, you know, divide my hair. I'm gonna attempt to do 2 rows. The last video I called it my horns. This time it's not gonna look like horns because my hair's shorter, so it's just gonna look like, I don't know. So the first thing I'm gonna do is separate the two. I try to like achieve a part down the middle. It's always difficult to do, but we're gonna try that. Now I'm gonna start working on this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to explain this the best way I can. What you're gonna do is take your first dread and you're gonna twist it in the way that you retwist, your retwist direction. So it looks like this. Then you take the one that's closest to it or right behind it, which would be these two guys. You retwist one of them. Come on, focus. And then you're going to go in the opposite direction. And you curl it around your finger and turn. Curl, turn. And you keep doing that, going back. And then, once you finish that first one, which is this one, you take the one that was next to it, which is this, retwist it in the direction that it retwists in, and you take it and you go over this one, and then you go around it. So it's kind of like, if you ever played, like, I think it's called Double Dutch, what is that thing called? Man, I haven't done this in so long. A jump rope. That, if you use a jump rope and you know how one person goes this way, the other person goes that way, and the things like that, it's kind of what you're doing with these. You're gonna take the ones behind it, go around one way, the other one's gonna go the other way. Kind of like Double Dutch, where you do like that. So, yeah. So you go to the next one, you retwist it, and then you take it around. And you're gonna continue this process all the way until you're done. Now, once you get close to like these ones, you gotta like adjust and move over here and take it from this side and go around it. This time my time lapse won't be as fast. I'm gonna slow it down so you guys can see, but I'm gonna try to finish this side and then come back to you guys.
I miss a NPR style. Jamaica when I smile. No, sir. ragamuffin reggae beat, yeah. NPR on the street, yeah. Can't stand on defeat. 2030, we still a do it. Every stage show, we still a keep. Every big song, they on repeat. Them a respond in a them feet, them a clap hand. Me give them heart attack in a altar back. Enough style, we have them can't alter that. Me start to track and then me start to attack. So what am I gonna do right after that? Me only spit lyrics, not really talk a lot. And I know touchdown like quarterback. For my counter, the money give me half of that. Me coulda do it for the hype, but me rather not. Give me joy for a rhyme pan beat. Lay it down like white line pan sheet. Music sweeter just like one cheat. They drop it hotter than island heat. Hear me with the island flow. It coulda be digital, I don't know. Hear some people say I don't grow. Tell them all on car time go slow. And me kick like a ball at tele. Yes, me look it up on a tele. Give me the world and me a go shelly. Me say that I'm a dream, but it's an LA. Give me the rhythm, I chop it a chop. When me finish it, it a drop. No some of us have a proper on that. But my name still on a platinum attack. The reggae music, it causing the commotion. And the music hit me. Do me like a potion, why? Alright, yeah. Me have the waves never stuck in the ocean. I got the style them smoother than a lotion, why? Yeah, now I know everybody got the keys, but me have it with my seat. Give Caesar what for Caesar. Give the youths them a feature. What I go on a Jamaica. Parliament run the paper. Forget the youths them na cater. That's why the country not safer. Here's to the guns them pride out here. Here no much make a smile out here. Here's to the youths them wild out here. Hey, money can't run for a mile out here. Here's to the government file out here. Get the tears down of an aisle out here. Me say youths are turning a last file out here. That's why them send for a child out here. Me humbling up but me hype on the beat. Look out for coffee me life on the street. Me a 5 feet but me sharp like teeth. Take coffee me name so my born with the heat. Me take the heat and me melt to the ice. And a politician out with them start pay price. If you nine watch out no black play nice. If you any politician do not play nice. The reggae music it causing the commotion. And the music hit me. Put me like a potion, why? Alright, yeah. We have the waves never stuck in the ocean. And I got the style them smoother than a lotion, why? Yeah, no. That's why me tell them fi second it hot like a keckle with culture strong like a leather pan Wally B with the cheddar lyrics I shot like a Martin traffic a black when we at it. We not soft like Natisi so ask them know what the issue. Hey, the reggae music it causing the commotion and the music hit me. Put me like a potion, why? Alright, yeah. We have the waves never stuck in the ocean. And NPR style them smoother than a lotion, why? Yeah, no. Coffee coming like a rapture, yeah. Coffee coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter, I want them see the lyrics one chapter. Coffee coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter, hey. When them see the lyrics one chapter. Say coffee attain up the temperature for them see. Me know them envy but friendly fi enemy. Yo, I first me see people around me so plenty, but me pocket no empty, me need space. So Lord, yeah me see them a watch me through a crack now. I do me everything for lockdown. Sitting in a the Bentley, picking in the century. I drench me, but for me fire gun blaze and I see him.
Okay, so just like the last one, I stopped it right here, kind of like high top length, so I could let the back be out. And then I'm gonna do the other side.
Johnny 2.
But for me fire gun blaze and I see him way. So me see the enemy a protest. Oh, and him could come the closest. No, I can feel still I do the most less. I want me to put in the work and just the process. Oh, yes I saw we grind. No, I can feel with the prime time flow. Time for we accumulate the kinds I know. And me say that give me the signs like whoa, that be coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter. I want them see the lyrics and chapter. Coming like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Place it up like a helicopter. Hey, when them see the lyrical doctor. child me ready. The God who me serve me say you timely, you see. My highly blessed and you can't spoil me, ready. You can't pile me, messy me too profound. Kill them with the birds and with the pronouns. When me come around, it for the whole town. Anyone me show up is a showdown. Yo, every African crew a bubble hotter than stew. We still not be until the Vatican slew. Yeah, me will hustle until the coffee turn blue. Tell them go and chill until the coffee done brew. Ooh, coffee come in like a rapture, yeah. And everybody get captured. Yeah. Play sleep up like helicopter. I want them say the lyrics contractor. Coffee come in like a rapture, yeah. And everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. Yeah. Them say the lyrical doctor. I just want to welcome Thomas. We can't ball in a life, man. Yeah. No, sir. So what we do? What we do? We're going with it. We're going with it. Yeah. To us. Yeah. NPR, we coming on with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Yeah. So we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and but thank God for the journey, the earnings.
Okay, so I'm done. I did get an idea while I was recording, which is probably gonna come after this video. I'll do it as 2 separate videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you want to see that video, and you know you'll get notified when it's posted. Yeah, you know, this is a lot better than the last one. I don't know why, but I'll give you guys a quick look.
Blessings fall by my right hand. So bust a toast to the friends so take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we board NPR said the road and me go on with the code. Hey, third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage NPR me a sing and you see me all diggy soon get the eye bring like hello brother. I to shout ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Say keep it burning.
Well, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you guys got it. It's really not that hard. It's just a 2-strand twist all the way back, like you're doing double dutch. Just, you know, all the way back. And in my next video, I'm gonna do a rapper's hairstyle that I've seen and braid the rest of this. So it's like one braid here, one braid, another here, and here. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.